Dude, it's happening. AI is taking over, and everybody else is freaked out because they all saw the Terminator too many times. I'll let you in on a little secret, my fellow human. My very self, was created with AI. For reals, dude. I really was. I'll show you how I was created shortly. Patience, my young Padawan. Patience. But I'm totally excited to share with you some gnarly AI tools that'll save you buku time. Cause I'm all about the automation, bro. What's up, Mindstormers? Welcome to the Mindstorm channel. The Mindstorm channel is the place to find, cool stuff to help you market your business. If you would kindly do me a solid and subscribe or like this video, it'll help the channel so I can create more videos like this. So check it out. I'm the laziest internet marketer ever. My parents are all dude, get a job, bro. But I'm all me padre and madre. I got a job. Internet marketing is my life. And they're all dude. Okay, so I know you've heard of Chat GPT, but here are 6 other AI marketing tools you probably never heard of. They'll help you focus on the good stuff like writing some tasty waves and hanging out with friends, while the AI takes care of the boring stuff. Cause like I said, I'm lazy. So grab your boards, dudes and dudettes. And let's dive into the 6 AI tools that you need to check out on the Mindstorm channel. Okay, first on the list is a text-to-song generator. It's called Voice Mod. You can create a song from just typing in some text. It's freaking epic. It uses natural language processing to convert the text you give it into a musical composition. I mean, dude! You can choose from a bunch of different music styles and instruments and adjust the tempo, key, and dynamics too. And the final track can be exported as a high-quality audio file. Here, watch this.
Any text into a tune, yo. With Voice Mod's new text to song. On any device or PC, it's so easy. Pick a beat and choose a singer. Like a boss, nail down your lyrics. Create a song you can share. Send it everywhere.
I mean, holy moly, Batman! This next AI tool is gonna save you a boatload of time. And seriously, it's gonna blow your mind. This site called Mixo is totally the ultimate website content generator. Just give it a quick rundown of your idea and it'll crank out your whole website in seconds. No need to spend hours coding or designing. Just grab your board and go catch some waves. Mixo will create seriously stunning landing pages to collect your subscribers. Let the AI do the work for you. You can go catch some tasty waves. But by the time you even get into your Subaru, Mixo will be done with the site. And their pricing is pretty reasonable. Right on! Next thing I want to show you is this cool app that lets you totally translate your videos. If you're like a YouTuber or whatnot, Translate.Video is a rad video translation tool that lets you easily translate your videos into different languages. At the click of a button, my friend. At the click of a button. It's got automated captioning, subtitle translation, dubbing, AI voiceover, recording, and transcript generation, all in one easy-to-use app, bro. So you can take your videos global and share them with surfers all over the world. That's totally most bueno. Next we have a gnarly site called Ordinary People Prompts. It's an interactive website that provides users with an easy way to create AI-generated prompts for Chat GPT and other AI text apps. It offers a directory of prompts, a course on better prompting, and a platform to contribute, comment, and vote on prompts. Okay, so I know I promised to show you how I was created. The dude who made me, Mark Sylvester, used 2 apps. One you might know about. It's called MidJourney. So MidJourney is a gnarly AI image generation tool. It takes inputs through text prompts and uses a machine learning algorithm to produce one-of-a-kind images. You can use an app called Discord to play around with it and create some sick images. If you want to learn more about MidJourney, just watch a few YouTube videos on getting started with it. So here are some of the ideas Mark had before creating me. Cha dude! He even thought I should be a cyber baby. But he eventually created a most excellent character. Look at that gnarly gentleman right there. Then, he imported me into a site called StudioDid.com. It's a most excellent app and it turns your still images into talking photos. So check it out. I'm like the laziest internet marketer ever. My parents are all like, dude, get a job, bro. It's the coolest thing since wax. Bro, well, there you have it, my duders and dudettes. Hope this video rocked your world. Leave some comments below and I'll keep making these kinds of videos. Peace out.